Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use our leather strap cutter. So when you get your leather strap cutter, the first thing you'll need to do is feed the wooden ruler part through the handle. You might need to loosen this so that you can get it through. And then you should feed the blade through these slots here. And again, if it doesn't fit through, you can loosen those so that you can feed the blade through those slots. And then you're going to want to adjust the width, so this gap here, to match the width of your leather. So that looks about right. So we'll tighten those screws there. And I can choose how wide I want my strap to be. So if I want it to be 1.5 inches, I'll line it up with the 1.5 inch mark. And I will tighten this black wheel at the top. So I forgot to mention that when you put the blade through, the sharp part should be facing you, because we're going to pull this through the leather in order to cut the strap. So now I can simply feed this leather through, and I'm going to want to keep the straight edge of the leather flush with the handle of the wooden strap cutter. And I can carefully pull this down in order to cut my strap. There we go.